how to edit your watch list on IMDb on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to IMDb. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go here in the top, click on your name and click on your watch list, and it will take you here. Now click on edit from here, and you can now change and edit your watch list easily. Click on settings if you want. You can make it private or public. You can remove movies from it if you want. From here you can move it, copy, and many other options, as you can see. It's actually so easy, so I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.